Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be making a birthday balloon bouquet, if that makes sense. A birthday balloon bouquet. That sounds better. About a birthday balloon bouquet. Alright, so here I am using some 5 inches gold balloon, and I'm going to use a hand pump and blow those up. Okay, there's nothing crazy to it. We're just gonna blow those up, and for this video I won't be doing too much talking, but I'll be coming in and out and speak. If you have any question, feel free to go ahead and type it in the comment section. I reply to every comment. I love hearing from you guys, and I do reply. It may take some time, but I do reply to each and every one of you guys. So how do I know when my balloon gets to that's it, I'm done blowing it up? I kind of feel it, and then that's how I do it now. And I know that these last for right now 2 months, because I just started doing this balloon bouquet, and it's been 2 months, but with the technique I've learned to do and stuff that I'm doing, it's holding up for 2 months now, and going on to 3 months actually. I sold some for Valentine's, and I check in with these people and they're still holding up. So I just kind of like feel, I guess it has to do with either the type balloon you use and experiment of how far to blow it up till it pop and where to stop. So that's all I do. So see, I feel as I go along, and that's why I prefer to use the hand pump, because I can feel and maneuver it better than when I'm using the electric pump. I do use the electric pump, but I use it for the latex balloon and the bobo balloon, but not for the foil balloon. So here I'm so excited because I get to use my low temperature glue gun. Somebody had told me to use a low temperature glue gun on my last video. Well, not the last video, but the last balloon video, because I did use the regular hot glue. That did work, but it just kind of like burns you every time, because it's foil and the heat on top of it is like a stove. It did work. You could use dot glue, you could use tape, but I love this low temperature one. It's so much easier. I don't have to worry about being burned. It still hold it no different from the other, but the burn is what I'm free of now. So when I blow up my balloon, I like to like do the tail part like that. I like to like bring it back up, so it helps to like, I don't know, because it helps to seal it. It may sound weird, but I've had it where I leave it down and maybe just the valve isn't good where it's sealed, and then slowly the ear leak out. But if I tape the bottom part, I have no problem. So now this balloon is a new type of balloon. I haven't tried any of these, so this balloon is going to be like a practice run kind of like, because this is a different brand and a different type of balloon. If you notice, the sheen is different. It's like a flat finish or a matte finish. So I'm blowing it up, and we're going to feel it, and to see what happened next. So now I'm going to be using a balloon holder to hold that, a balloon stick holder to hold that in, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around the end of there's like a little loop on it. I'm going to wrap that around. Last couple videos ago, somebody asked me where I found these. I'm telling you guys, you can find a Dollar Tree. Actually, I have a short video that I'm going to be posting prior to this video with all the stuff that's at the Dollar Tree that you can find there. Did I get mine from the Dollar Tree? No, but you have them at the Dollar Tree. So I bought mine in bulk because it's something I'm trying to like make business out of. But if you're just making 1 or 2 balloon going up to the Dollar Tree, it's the same thing. You buy it right up there. They have them in the white like this, and they have them in the colored side. We'll post maybe a short video that tag back to this. I don't know. We'll do that. So here, what I like to do is I like to use the hot glue and put on the end of the stick before I insert it into that part of this balloon stick. And this is just with experience for the last 2 months, because I'm not an experienced balloon artist. I'm just trying this. So if you're a balloon artist, don't come for me. But for the last 2 months, what I've been trying, and if you have any technique for me, please go ahead and type in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys, and I do appreciate anything I can learn, constructive criticism. Okay, so here we go. So I usually hot glue that on because I found out that like when I don't hot glue it on, it falls off. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like the balloon will easily, like when you make the bouquet, you may be walking and one of the balloons just fly off. You know, well, it doesn't have wings, but you know what I'm saying. It will comes apart. So now I hot glue it in so it will stay. So yeah. So here again, we're gonna do some hot glue on the balloon because again, we love this low temperature hot glue. So this is how I'm gonna stick these balloons to each other, hot glue them, or low temperature hot glue them to each other. You could use tape, you could use glue dots. I've tried the glue dots. I feel like the hot glue gun worked better, but even the low temperature, I feel like so far this works even better. I don't know if it's because it's not burning, so you have more time to hold it together. I don't know. Maybe a real person who do these will know, but I don't know. But I prefer using this method, whether it's the hot glue gun or the low temperature hot glue gun. So I'm just holding it in place. One thing I noticed though with the low temperature glue gun, it takes a while to dry, like versus the hot glue gun. The hot glue gun, you put it on, and I mean it's gonna burn you, but it dries quicker. This one you have to hold it there for a little bit. So I'm just putting a small dots where I think I want to join the balloons, and I'm gonna join it there, and that's just it. And I love this because I feel like it really does hold it firm. So now I'm going to go in with some smaller pink balloon, and we're just going to fill that. Again, I'm using hand pump, one pump, and it's there. I'm new to these little balloons, guys. So I'm trying this out. Okay, so like literally every balloon I'm using here, I'm new to. I don't know if that's 5-inch or it's 6-inch. I feel like it's maybe 8-inch. I don't know. Now I'm confused. I will type it in the comment section. I'll look at the packets and see if I can type them in the comment section. Another comment section in the description box so you guys can see. But look at this baby tiny one. It's so cute. It's so cute. Couple pump. I've never worked with it, but I feel like I was pulling back out the ear as I'm putting the ear in it. But anyways, I end up figuring it out. So we're just gonna put it right in there. It looks so cute. It's so little. It's so tiny. So I'm gonna put it right there towards that happy birthday one right there. And I am going to just use the glue gun and join them together. It's so cute. Now, remember how I said the happy birthday balloon is my first time using it? Look at that. It's already starting to sag and I'm not even done with the project. It's already starting to sag, so I know it's leaking somewhere. Either I didn't seal the end right. If you guys notice, when I was sealing the end, I wrap it around versus tape it, glued it up to the top like I did with the others. I feel like that's where I went wrong. So I probably break the valve from wrapping it around because whatever. So I decided to change it out, and you guys seen just now I blow up a new one because I'm like, this don't make any sense because it's just I'm gonna get to the end product and it's gonna cause problem. So here I am using some 10-inch balloon, and I'm gonna blow them up, but I'm not gonna blow them all the way up. I'm just gonna blow them up to a certain extent. Don't ask me what it is because I did not measure it. I just blow it up and eyeball it and say, okay, I like this size. And then once I do so, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it a few times. This way it doesn't leak out. Like, you know how these balloons start getting sag after a while, like it's leaking right from the knot. So this is what I've learned. So I'm tying it a few times, and I've been doing this and it's been working. Just give it tight, really tight, and tight a few times, and then you're good. It will I mean, I have, again, for a month now, holding up. The ones that I did not tie a couple of times, those are sag, and this one, that the ones that I tie a few times and wrap it tightly, are still hanging there. So this time I'm not going to be using the low temperature glue gun because I don't want to pop the latex balloon, so I'm going to be using the glue dots. Now be careful if you're going to do this with the scissors. I can't tell you how many balloons I've popped, like messing with the scissors, trying to curl a ribbon. Not like necessarily doing the glue dots, but trying to curl those curly ribbon, and then freaking pop the balloon. This is like at the end of the project. So you know what I mean? Like you finish and you decide, I feel like I want to put some string curly ribbon. Put it on, pop the balloon. It's like, come on, now I got to start over because everything is glued together. Yada yada yada. So you want to be careful with that, or if you pop anything, especially at the end of your project, then you're going to be starting over. So in order, like, you just could go ahead and just cut off one strip of the glue dot. You could go ahead and put them on and pull it off, like use the whole roll, but I suggest cut them off. This way you're able to maneuver it better, and also it doesn't get like stuck. Sometimes you got to go to a small like space to glue these balloons together. So put it one on the foil balloon, one on the other foil balloon, and then so we're going to join the latex balloon to those two foil balloons. Here I am, I'm using a strip of foam, and I have the balloon stick, and I'm going to go ahead and insert that balloon stick inside that foam, okay? And then that's how it's going to stay standing, just like that. Boom. So then I'm going to be going ahead, and I wanted to show you guys how I do this, but I'm wearing my robe, and I don't want to be on camera, but I have to put it, it's bigger than the counter or what I'm working at, so I have to put it on the ground to do so. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I fold these paper, I'm going to be having a video link right above this video, also in the pinned comment section, so you could check that out to learn how I fold those paper. I just did a video 2 days ago on how, well, if you're watching this video on it the day that it's posted, which is going to be today, it's 2 days ago, on how I fold these paper. And if you're watching it in the future, I had a video previous to this video. If you go to check out my balloon playlist, you will see how I fold these paper. So I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm not going to make the video any longer, and I'm not going to go on camera in my robe. So here we are. So I'll put it back on the table. If you guys notice, you can barely see what's going on because my workstation here is where I do like my t-shirts and my tumblers. So my heat press is up there, so it's not big enough. These balloons need like a big table, or you're gonna have to make it on the floor, the ground. So I went and put it on the ground, on the carpet in the basement. So yeah, and make it. But I used the poster board from the Dollar Tree, the white poster board. I put that in the bottom and then put that on, and then there you have it. I put those in. So I feel like I want to jam up these balloons because I was cleaning up my craft room, which is the whole basement. And I found these gems. Like, I have these for a while now. I don't know what did I buy them for. Sometimes I just go up to Dollar Tree and just buy. But it's been like years now since I have these. So I decided that I'm gonna take this balloon up a notch to a different level and be able to start using some of these things that I have. I'm trying to get rid of stuff. So I'm gonna be having like a sale. I'm trying to put stuff on Facebook Marketplace, trying to sell out stuff cheap, because I'm trying to like bring my niche back down to like very small. I could do a lot of stuff, but I think I need to like choose what I really want to keep going at, like to sell. But I don't know, whatever. So anyways, so here we are. I've decided that I'm going to use this type of bead, and it's perfect for the color balloon. So it's like a blush with some gold around it. So it has like pearl with the rhinestone. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm putting on those on the balloon, and then I'm not going to wrap it all the way around the balloon because you can't see behind it. So I'm cutting it right there where I feel like you can't see anymore. So again, if you decide to do this, be careful with your scissors, because you do not want to pop your balloon. At this point, you pop your balloon, it's going to be a pain in the ass to attach another one. The only good thing is there's not a balloon stick on this, so if it pops, you just put another one there with glue dots. But if you have like a balloon stick on it, or if it's the main balloon, which is like that pink one, then you're screwed. Okay, so be careful. So there you have it. So now I decided that I want to put happy birthday. I was going to use my Cricut and write this out, but I changed my mind. So I'm using like one of those little cake topper happy birthday sign. You probably could find bigger than this one at the Dollar Tree, because these aren't for balloon, but I know they sell these things at the Dollar Tree. So if you go there, you could find it, and you could do that if you want to do to your balloon. So if you don't have a Cricut, there's other ways of personalizing or making your balloon look nice. Because now we don't have that happy birthday balloon anymore, so I decided that this one will do. Plus, not for nothing, I'm happy it kind of popped, because it didn't, now that I'm looking at it, it didn't really look right with it, because you have, these are like a high gloss, like that sheen, and the next one was like flat. So I put the, you see what I mean? So I put the glue, the low temp, the glue on the thing, and then I'm just gonna slightly, this is sharp, so you gotta be careful, slightly put that on my balloon. If you could guys notice how tiny, like I'm moving very it's delicate, very delicate. I don't know that word, but that's sharp because it's made for not balloon, it's made for a cake topper, so you got to be careful. It's not flimsy. So put it on, and then slowly making sure I'm being careful. Put on, I'm going to go ahead and peel off that. It's a clear plastic on that, so I'm going to peel that off, and it's going to be all shiny just like the other balloons. So off camera I decided I want to jam up that balloon too, or put some jams on it. I don't know if jam is on, please, I have an accent. So I went ahead off camera and I decided to put some more pearls and stuff on the balloon to see what it looks like. I mean, it ain't bad, but it looks good. And then I went ahead and did the bottom piece here. All I did was kind of fold the paper like pleats. Fold it like pleats and then put it on again. Like I said, I'm not going to go on camera because I'm with my rope. So of course I wanted to see what it looks like, just me sticking that happy birthday balloon in the top right there, just for my video purpose. I did not deliver this like that, but I wanted to see what it looks like being that the balloon was still standing. So go ahead and type me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you like it inside the balloon or you like it without it, because I also have another clip which is without it. So go ahead and check that out and keep watching and you'll see. If you make it this far throughout the video, you are the real deal. I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't have done it or gone this far without you guys. So thank you so much, and welcome to all the new people who are coming in. I truly appreciate you. So don't forget to, before you leave, if you enjoyed this video, to hit that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, therefore you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also type me a comment in the comment section. Love you and from you guys, and give this video a big fat thumbs up, okay? And let me know if you like the balloon just like it is now or with the other happy birthday on top. Okay, I like it like this because everything just look all classy and looks the one way. And if you do enjoy this video again, feel free to go ahead and check out some of my other balloon videos. They're gonna be only in the Valentine's because I just started this since January. So go ahead and check those out. You never know, you may find an inspiration. It may not have to be Valentine's, but something could be for whatever. Just change out the Valentine's balloon. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.